Hi, we are from Group 3. Today we are going to present about calculus matrix. And for the introduction, metric calculus is a branch of mathematics that combines calculus and matrix algebra to solve complex, multidimensional problems. It focuses on differentiation and integration of functions involving vectors and metrics, rather than just single values, scalars. This makes it especially useful in fields like science, engineering, economics, machine learning, and physics. Metric calculus uses tools such as gradient, Jacobians, and Hessians to handle matrix value function efficiently by bridging the gap between traditional calculus and linear algebra. It provides powerful techniques for analyzing systems of equations, opti- optimization problems, and dynamic models. Next, we're gonna solve the question using this metric method. First, find the matrix n from the metric equation. Now we subtract the values one by one. 4 minus 12, 20 equals negative 8. Then 5 minus negative 3 equals 8. So the answer is n equals negative 8 and 8. And that's how you solve it. Next. Now let's move on to question 2. We are given an equation involving matrix with unknown x, y, and z. Our goal is to find their values. Let's look at the matrix. We solve this by comparing each position in the matrix. First, we look at the top left. X plus 2 equals 4. So x equals 2. Next, bottom left. 2y plus 2 equals 0. That gives us 2y equals minus 2. So y equals minus 1. Now, top right. Z plus x equals 5. We already know x equals 2. So z plus 2 equals 5. Then z equals 3. So the final answer is x equals 2, y equals negative 1, z equals 3. And that's it. We solve all the unknown by matching the position in the matrix. For the next question, I pass it for my friend Muhammad Fakrul.
Okay, next we go for question 3. The question 3 is a problem statement. An eco shop sells screwdrivers and measuring tapes. Here's what we know. First, selling 4 screwdrivers and 3 measuring tapes gives a profit of Rm35. And second, selling 5 screwdrivers and 4 measuring tapes gives a profit of Rm45. So let X equals profit from 1 screwdriver, IMX, and Y equals profit from 1 measuring tape, RMY. So for the step 1, from the equations, from the question we get two equations. First, we need first for x plus 3y equals 35, and second 5x plus 4y equals 45. Okay, so next we go for step 2, write in metric form. We can write this as a metric equation. So the metric equation like this. So we just go for step 3, find the inverse of the coefficient matrix. Now we use the inverse metric method, where A can be this and B can be this. Okay, to find the inverse of A, use the formula. So this is like we following the formula. So after this, we just need to find the answers. Just calculate this, and we can get this. So So the final answer will be x equals 5 and y equals 5. So the profit from each screwdriver is Rm5. So for x, the profit from each screwdriver is Rm5, and y, the profit from each measuring tape is Rm5. Okay, so for the conclusion, matrix calculus is an important extension of regular calculus that deals with functions involving vectors and matrices. It helps us understand how to compute derivative in multidimensional systems, which is essential in many fields like engineering, physics, economics, and data science. By combining the power of calculus and linear algebra, matrix calculus allows us to work with complex systems of equations, optimize functions with many variables, model and solve real-world problems efficiently. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.